Good morning everyone. It's your math class 7. In the previous video, I explained cost price, selling price, profit percent. Now in this video, we will start exercise 7A, unit number 7, exercise 7A, question number 1. The question is, an art dealer sold a painting for rupees 1,50,000 at a loss of 20%. How much did he buy the painting for? Okay, in this question, first write down data. SP selling price 1,50,000 rupees. Loss is given. Okay, 20%. Cost price, it means we find the cost price. Okay, so he sold 1,50,000 rupees in 20% loss. According to the question data, first we find loss is equal to 20% is given. We don't know cost price, so we suppose the cost price is x rupees. According to the formula, loss is equal to 20% means 20 upon 100 of multiply x. Okay, now we find the value of x. We find the loss. 0 cut with 0. Now we reduce it. 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10. 1 multiplied by x, 1x upon 5. So the loss is x upon 5. Hidden coefficient is 1. It's up to you, right over here 1 or not. X upon 5 or 1x upon 5, both are same. It's a loss. Clear? In the first step, after data, in the first part we find loss. Clear? The loss is 20% loss is 1x upon 5. Now we apply formula. Cost price, CP means cost price, is equal to SP means selling price plus loss. Okay, according to this formula we put the value. Cost prices we don't know, so we suppose the cost price is x rupees. X as it is copy is equal to selling price is given in the data or in the question 1,50,000 rupees. We write over here plus sign as it is copy, and loss is x upon 5. Correct? Now we shift this part another side. Okay, before equal this part x loss 1x upon 5, it's a loss value. We shift another side, so plus change into minus. Okay, it's simple. When we inverse the change the position or place, automatically sign will be inverse. Okay, always same values x we write together. Okay, before equal, that's why plus change into minus, this one right over here. X 1x upon 5 with minus sign. Okay, this part only x is given, this part we have in fraction form, so we write over here also in fraction form. Both side, both part we have in fraction. X upon 1 minus 1x upon 5. Okay, we know the hidden coefficient is 1. It's up to you, right over here or not. Clear? Now both side fraction form with minus sign. Okay, remember when we have minus or plus sign, so which method we will apply? Okay, yes, we take out the LCM of denominator part. Now we take out the LCM of 1 and 5. Clear? LCM of 1 and 5 is 5. Now 5 divided by 5, 5 1s are 5. Answer 1. 1 multiplied by 1, 1 1s are 1x. Minus sign as it is copy. Now 1 divided by 5, 1 5s are 5. Answer 5. So 5 multiplied by 1. Hidden coefficient is 1. That is why we multiply by 1. 5 1s are 5x. 5x minus 1x is equal to 1,50,000 selling price as it is copied down. Now we minus it. 5 minus 1, 4x is left upon 5 is equal to 1,50,000. Now after this step, just check this part. Okay, we have two properties. First we have fraction form, it means division property is given. or 5x is given, it means we have multiplicative property. Two properties are given in this part, in this step. So one by one we will apply the property. Okay, division property is given, so we will apply multiplicative property. Multiply 5 on both sides. 4x upon 5 multiplied by 5 is equal to 1,50,000 multiplied by 5. Clear this property? So reduce it. 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 5. We reduce it. Now 5 multiplied by 1,50,000. When we multiply 1,50,000 multiplied by 5, so answer 7,50,000. Unit 10, 100,000, 10,000 and 100,000. Is it clear, girls? 7,50,000 answer after multiply by 5. Clear? It's a selling price of painting 1,50,000. Then we multiply by 5. So we get answer 7,50,000. Now we have multiplicative property. 4x is equal to 7,50,000. Now multiplicative property is given. It means we have 4 multiplied by x. So we will apply division property. Okay. Now after this step we apply division property. Divide 4 on both sides. Already we done all properties. Clear? 4x upon 4 is equal to 7,50,000 upon 4. 4 ones are 4, 4 ones are 4. Simple, reduce it. After reduce, this part also reduce it. 4 ones are 4, 4 ones are 4. After 4, 5, 6, 7. 3 is left. It's 35. 5 8s are 32. 33, 34, 35. The next number is 30. 4 7s are 28. 2 is left. Now it's become 20. 4 ones are 4, 5 5s are 20. Now last 2 0 as it is go up. It means if we reduce it with 4 or cancel it with 4, so we get the answer unit 10, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000. 1,87,500 rupees. It means we find the value of x. Find the value of x means we find the cost price. So the total cost price 1,87,500 rupees. Okay. He sold 1,50,000 rupees. 20% loss. Okay. Now we get the answer of first part. He buy the painting 1,87,500 rupees. Now we find the second part, loss. Okay, 20% loss. Convert into amount or in rupees. So loss is equal to cost price minus selling price. Clear? The value of x is cost price. We find it. Then we minus selling price already, which is given in the question. 1,87,500 rupees minus 1,50,000 rupees. After minus 37,500 rupees is left. So this amount would be the loss amount, which is 20%. Is it clear, girls? 20% loss amount. 20% convert into amount. So the amount figure is 37,500 rupees. Okay. Selling price 1,50,000 rupees, which is given in the question. Your question say find the cost price, which is not given in the question. So we find it. So 1,87,500 rupees. It's a cost price. Okay. In the cost price we minus selling price. Automatically we get the answer loss percent. It's loss, which is given 20% in the question. So loss 37,500 rupees. Is it clear? Done question number 1. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.